These needle threader tips should help you master the Pfaff needle threader in no time. First off, one of the things I like to do is suggest even lowering the presser foot. What it does is not only give you more room here, but it also puts a little tension on the thread, making it so it doesn't pull through so easily. So let me show you the needle threader first without putting thread in it. As you reach for it and pull it all the way down, you rotate the head to the needle. There's a little hook that's coming from the back of the needle towards us that is waiting to catch the thread, and then you twist it away from the needle and let it pull through the link of thread. So as we go ahead and bring it down, I like to suggest that you bring it down halfway, hook underneath the little lever here, twist the needle threader head all the way around the needle, and then bring the thread around up into the little arms and just gently lift up. I'm not putting my thread back here, I'm not pushing it towards the back, but if you lift up, the little hook is going to get attached to the thread, and then just rotate the needle threader back, and then the loop of thread will come through. Now if you hold on too tight over here, it can't pull the thread through the needle. Now a couple things about the needle threader is if your needle is not in the high enough position, maybe you took it out, put a new one in. If it's not high enough, this does not line up with the hole. So I always suggest that you use your needle threader after putting a new needle in. That way you don't have any problems of sewing with a needle too low. And it's just a matter of practice. Swing it in, then put the thread in and lift up, twist it away, and pull the little loop out the back side. Now, if it does get bent at all in your use, it will stay bent, meaning it's going to stop coming through the eye of the needle. And that way you might need to have your store readjust it or put a new one on. They're pretty fragile. I mean, if you think about how small you would have to be to get through an eye of a needle, there is some times where if you use it too roughly, so this is a very gentle tool, it can bend. And so if it's not working for the last 20 times you tried it, it might be just because that little hook is no longer lined up with the eye of the needle. So just have your dealer help you out there, make it really easy and get you back on track.